this video, you'll see how easy it is to clean a KeyChoc tempering machine. Start by emptying the tank as much as possible through the top spout. Then unplug the vibrating table and foot pedal connections. Wipe down the table while it is still warm and easy to remove the chocolate. Lift the table off and set aside before stopping the stirrer. Remove the stirrer with a gentle bump in an anti-clockwise direction. Remove the rear drain plug using the T-piece tool. Restart the stirrer and set the auger to reverse mode. Now just scrape the chocolate down and let the auger pump it out. Time to remove the top pipework, starting with the thermostat. The pipes can be fully disassembled at each bend for easy washing. Now remove the reducing cone to access the auger. The auger can be extracted using the same T-piece tool. Now is a good time for a wipe down of excess chocolate before washing. Remember to refit the drain plug before adding water. Add about 10 litres of hot soapy water, then scrub with a pipe cleaner. The auger tube can be cleaned with the same brush. Drain the water into a bucket by removing the rear plug. You can then access the rear tube with the pipe cleaner. Now refit the plug, ready for the rinsing stage. Add about 10 litres of clean hot water to the tank and scrub for a second time. Empty again at the rear without going near any mechanical or electronic parts. Find a wipe down of excess moisture and the wash is complete. Use melt only mode for drying. You can then reassemble all the clean parts, starting with the rear plug, stirrer and auger. The reducer and outlet pipework are next. Fit all the clamps by hand without the need for tools. Finally, refit the thermostat to the outlet pipework. And you're done. The machine is ready to get back to work tempering your next batch of chocolate. Find out more about the KeyChoc Infinity series at www.chocmakers.com.au.